Welcome to another captivating adventure with VueX, y'all. This time, we're heading to the breathtaking country of Nepal, home to towering mountains, vibrant cultures, and experiences that'll last a lifetime. Now, I've never been one for heights. I'm more of a stay-grounded kind of gal, but even I gotta admit, the Himalayas are something else. And Nepal's got 'em in spades. We're talking epic road trips through stunning landscapes, past ancient temples, and maybe even a yak or two. So buckle up, grab your fanny packs, you know you love them, and get ready for an unforgettable journey as we explore the best road trip routes Nepal has to offer. All right, adventurers, let's kick things off in Kathmandu, the bustling capital of Nepal. This city is a vibrant mix of ancient culture and modern hustle, where every corner has a story to tell. I hear the street food is to die for. From spicy momos to sweet jalebis, your taste buds are in for a treat. Just picture this. You're strolling through ancient temples, the scent of incense filling the air, and bam! A delicious samosa finds its way into your hands. That's Kathmandu for you. The city is a sensory overload in the best way possible. But before you get too comfy, it's time to hit the road to Pokhara, the city of lakes. This journey is as much about the road as it is about the destination. This scenic drive takes about 6 to 8 hours, depending on traffic and how many times you stop to take pictures. And trust me, you'll want to stop often. And trust me, you'll be stopping a lot. The landscapes are just too beautiful to pass by without capturing a few shots. Speaking of pictures, make sure you pack your camera, because the views along the way are simply breathtaking. Every turn reveals a new vista. Imagine winding roads, terraced hillsides, and glimpses of the Trishuli River below. It's like driving through a living postcard. It's like something out of a movie, but better because you're actually there. The experience is surreal and unforgettable. Now, a little travel tip from yours truly: pack some motion sickness meds, especially if you're prone to getting queasy on winding roads. You'll thank me later. The roads can be quite the roller coaster. Once you arrive in Pokhara, get ready to be wowed by the beauty of VueX Lake. This serene body of water is a perfect spot to unwind. This shimmering lake is surrounded by lush green hills and offers stunning views of the Annapurna range. It's a sight that will stay with you forever. Rent a colorful rowboat and soak it all in, or take a leisurely stroll along the lakeshore. Either way, you're in for a treat. And don't forget to try some local delicacies while you're in Pokhara. The food here is as delightful as the scenery. I hear the dal bhat, a traditional lentil soup with rice, is a must-try. It's a staple that will give you a true taste of Nepalese cuisine. So there you have it, folks. Kathmandu to Pokhara, your first epic leg of your Nepalese road trip adventure. This journey is just the beginning. Stay tuned for more excitement as we continue our journey through this incredible country. There's so much more to explore and experience. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're heading deeper into the Himalayas on our way to Jomsom. This journey promises to be an exhilarating adventure, filled with breathtaking landscapes and thrilling experiences. This leg of the journey is not for the faint of heart, but trust me, the views are worth every bump in the road. The rugged terrain and the winding paths will test your endurance, but the reward is an unparalleled visual feast. We're talking rugged mountain passes, deep gorges, and glimpses of some of the tallest mountains in the world. Each turn reveals a new vista, more stunning than the last, making every moment of the journey a memorable one. It's enough to make your head spin, in a good way, of course. The sheer scale and beauty of the Himalayas are truly awe-inspiring, leaving you with a sense of wonder and amazement. The road to Jomsom is an adventure in itself, often narrow and winding, so be prepared for a bumpy ride. The twists and turns add to the excitement, making it a journey you'll never forget. It's best to hire a jeep or take a local bus for this part of the trip. These vehicles are well equipped to handle the challenging terrain, ensuring a safer and more comfortable journey. And pack your patience, because the journey can take anywhere from 10 to 12 hours. But remember, it's not just about the destination. The journey itself is a big part of the adventure. But hey, who's in a hurry when you're surrounded by such incredible scenery? Every moment spent on the road offers a new perspective, a new angle of the majestic Himalayas. Take your time, enjoy the ride, And don't forget to stop for photos along the way. These moments will become cherished memories, capturing the essence of your Himalayan adventure. As you climb higher, the air gets thinner and the landscape becomes even more dramatic. The high altitude brings a unique beauty, with crisp, clear air and stunning vistas that stretch as far as the eye can see. Keep an eye out for prayer flags fluttering in the wind, a reminder of the strong spiritual presence in this region. These colorful flags add a touch of mysticism to the already enchanting landscape. Once you arrive in Jomsom, you'll be greeted by the sight of the majestic Dhaulagiri, the seventh highest mountain in the world. Its towering presence is a testament to the grandeur of the Himalayas. Take some time to acclimatize to the altitude, and then explore this charming town, a popular starting point for treks in the Annapurna region. Jomsom offers a unique blend of natural beauty and cultural richness. And speaking of treks, if you're feeling adventurous, why not embark on a short hike to the nearby village of Marfa? This quaint village is a hidden gem, offering a glimpse into the local way of life. Known for its apple orchards and stunning views, it's the perfect way to stretch your legs and soak up the beauty of the Himalayas. The fresh mountain air and the serene environment make it a must-visit. So there you have it, another unforgettable leg of our Nepalese road trip adventure. Each moment spent in the Himalayas adds a new chapter to your travel story, filled with excitement and wonder. From the bustling streets of Kathmandu to the towering peaks of the Himalayas, this journey is full of surprises and unforgettable experiences. The diverse landscapes and rich culture of Nepal make it a destination like no other. All right, folks. After all that mountain air, let's trade our hiking boots for some safari hats and head south to Chitwan National Park. Get ready for a wild ride. This time, we're swapping those winding mountain roads for a scenic drive through lush green countryside. Think rice paddies, quaint villages, and maybe even a glimpse of a rhino or two along the way. The drive from Kathmandu to Chitwan takes about 5 to 7 hours, depending on traffic and how many times you stop to say hello to the local wildlife. And trust me, there will be plenty of opportunities for that. Once you arrive in Chitwan, get ready to immerse yourself in the heart of the jungle. We're talking elephant-back safaris, canoe rides down the Rapti River, and if you're lucky, a chance to spot Bengal tigers, one-horned rhinos, and all sorts of incredible creatures. Now I know what you're thinking. Ellen, tigers? In the jungle? Are you sure about this? And to that, I say, of course, I'm sure. Just kidding, but seriously, it's perfectly safe as long as you follow the guidance of your experienced guides. They know the jungle like the back of their hands and will keep you safe while you enjoy all the wonders Chitwan has to offer. But the adventure doesn't stop there. In the evenings, experience the vibrant Tharu culture with traditional dances and music. It's a true feast for the senses. So, pack your bug spray, your sense of adventure, and get ready for a wild ride through the heart of the Nepalese jungle. It's an experience you won't soon forget. Hold on to your meditation cushions, folks, because we're embarking on a spiritual journey to Lumbini, the birthplace of Buddha. Get ready to find your inner peace, and maybe some souvenirs along the way. This time, we're trading those towering mountains and lush jungles for the serene plains of southern Nepal. The drive from Kathmandu to Lumbini takes about 8 to 10 hours, but trust me, it's worth every minute. As you travel through the countryside, you'll pass by charming villages, ancient temples, and fields of swaying sugarcane. It's a side of Nepal you won't want to miss. Once you arrive in Lumbini, prepare to be transported back in time. This sacred site is home to ancient monasteries, temples, and the exact spot where Buddha is said to have been born over 2,500 years ago. Now, I'm not saying you'll achieve enlightenment just by visiting, but you never know. The peaceful atmosphere and spiritual energy of Lumbini are sure to leave you feeling refreshed and inspired. Take your time exploring the Maya Devi temple, adorned with ancient carvings depicting Buddha's life, and wander through the serene gardens surrounding the sacred pond where Buddha's mother is said to have bathed before his birth. And don't forget to light a butter lamp and make a wish. It's the perfect way to pay your respects and soak up the spiritual energy of this incredible place. So there you have it, folks, a journey to the birthplace of Buddha. It's a chance to connect with history, find your inner peace, and maybe even learn a thing or two about yourself along the way. All right, thrill seekers and adventurers, this one's for you. If you've ever dreamed of pushing your limits and experiencing the ultimate adventure, then keep watching. Get ready to lace up those hiking boots and catch your breath, because we're heading to the roof of the world. Everest Base Camp. This is not just any trek. It's a journey that will test your spirit and reward you with memories that last a lifetime. Now, I'm not gonna lie. This journey is not for the faint of heart. The trails are tough, the altitude is high, and the weather can be unpredictable. It's a challenging trek that requires physical endurance, mental fortitude, and a whole lot of determination. But every step you take brings you closer to an unparalleled sense of achievement. But trust me, the reward of standing at the foot of Mount Everest is an experience that will stay with you forever. The sheer majesty of the Himalayas will leave you in awe. We're talking breathtaking views of the Himalayas, where every peak tells a story of ancient earth and sky. A chance to experience Sherpa culture firsthand, immersing yourself in their rich traditions and warm hospitality, and bragging rights for life. Imagine telling your friends and family that you trekked to Everest Base Camp. But before you pack your bags and book your flight, let's break down this epic adventure step by step. Preparation is key to making the most of this journey. First things first, you'll need to fly from Kathmandu to Lukla, home to the world's most dangerous airport. This flight is an adventure in itself, and when I say dangerous, I mean it. The runway is short and surrounded by mountains, making every landing a thrilling experience. The runway is perched precariously on the side of a mountain, so buckle up and prepare for a thrilling landing. It's a heart-pounding start to your adventure. Once you've caught your breath and thanked the pilot for their service, the real adventure begins. The trek to Everest Base Camp is about to start. The trek to Everest Base Camp takes about 10 to 14 days and follows ancient trails through stunning mountain scenery. Each day brings new challenges and new wonders. You'll cross suspension bridges over rushing rivers, trek through rhododendron forests, and witness the changing landscapes as you ascend, and acclimatize to the altitude in charming tea houses along the way. These tea houses offer a cozy respite and a chance to meet fellow trekkers. And don't forget to make friends with the yaks. These sturdy animals are essential to the trek, carrying supplies and adding to the unique experience. They're the real heroes of the Himalayas, carrying supplies up and down the mountains. Their presence is a reminder of the traditional ways of life in these high altitudes. As you ascend higher, the air gets thinner and the views become even more awe-inspiring. The sense of isolation and grandeur is profound. You'll catch glimpses of towering peaks like Lhotse, Nuptse, each one more magnificent than the last, and of course, the mighty Everest itself. The sight of its peak will fill you with a sense of awe and accomplishment. And then, finally, after days of trekking, you'll reach Everest Base Camp. The journey culminates in this iconic location. The feeling of accomplishment will wash over you as you stand at the foot of the world's tallest mountain, surrounded by fellow adventurers from all walks of life. It's a shared triumph. It's a moment you'll never forget. The memories and friendships forged on this trek will stay with you forever. So there you have it, folks, a journey to Everest Base Camp. It's more than just a trek. It's a life-changing adventure. It's the ultimate test of endurance, a chance to push your limits, and an experience that will change your perspective forever. Are you ready to take on the challenge? Well, folks, there you have it. 5 epic road trip routes through the incredible country of Nepal. From the bustling streets of Kathmandu to the towering peaks of the Himalayas, Nepal has something for everyone. Don't forget to let me know in the comments below which route you're most excited to experience. And if you have any other must-see spots in Nepal, be sure to share those too. Until next time, safe travels from your travel buddy VueX.